Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and today we're going to show you how to make the Rapture or double DNA keyring. Right, I've got two cords. They're about 5 feet long each. I found the halfway point of each cord and I've got myself a split ring. So what I'm going to do is grab this dark colour first, and we're going to attach it to your split ring. So what I'm going to do is poke this through the hole. Whoops. I'm going to poke this through the split ring like that, and bring the loop down quite a bit like that. Okay. And what I'm going to do is put the sides, either side. I'm going to bring the sides up through the middle like that, and then cinch it all up. Slingstone hitch. I've got a separate video of how to do this as well, but I've just done it, so there you go. Now what we can do is measure out about 5 inches roughly like that. Yeah, so I've got my hitch at the bottom. I've done about 5 inches. Now what we're going to do is a cobra weave, and all we're doing is cobra weave, left hand cobra weaves the whole time. So get my left hand cord, put it over the top like that, get the other side, put it over the top of this, behind everything, out the other side, but I'm not going to cinch it up yet, okay, because what we're going to do is grab the other cord. I'm going to poke it down through here like that. I'm going to poke it up through the other loop like that, and then I'm going to pull this cord side out like that. I find that's easier way of doing things than poking the whole cord all the way through. So I've done that, and now I'm just going to cinch up the green cord.
Alright. Cinch it up all nice and tight to make your first cobra weave. Like that.
Pull that a bit tighter. Yes. So we've got that going on. Now what we do, start with the pink. We do exactly the same as before. It goes over the top of the green cords. The other side of the pink goes over the top like that, behind everything, out the other side. Cinch it all up. Like that. You might have to pull on the green a bit as well. But cinch it all up nice and tight, so you've got that going on. And then what I like to do, because I find it easier, is to flip the whole thing over like that. Now I've got the green on top, so what I do is another left hand cobra weave. You're always doing left hand.
So over the top, the other cord, over the top, behind the centre strands, out the other side.
Cinch it up. I like to cinch it up and tuck this bottom cord in underneath that pink cord there, like that, and put them together. And doing the same thing. Now you notice that the weave is twisting. That's fine, that's what it's supposed to do. But you just keep going until you get to the bottom. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, so I've got all the way to the bottom, as you can see. And all I'm going to do now is snip and singe the ends, just like you do a normal cobra weave. And then we're done. So there you go, that is your Rapture or double DNA keyring. Came out quite well. I did mess up a little bit here. I burnt it for too long basically, so it came out black. The other side didn't come out too bad, but other than that, it's not bad at all. I like it. So as always, YouTube would like you to watch that video up there. I would like you to watch that playlist there. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.